Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy XRP Ripple on Crypto.com. Let's begin. So you're going to sign up for a Crypto.com account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create an account on Crypto.com. And this is where you're going to enter in your personal information and undergoing identity verification. Afterwards, you're going to deposit some funds into your account, such as using your bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. Then you're going to navigate to the XRP market. Once you have funds in your account, you'll need to find the XRP market. You can do this by searching for XRP on the Crypto.com exchange. Afterwards, you're going to place a buy order. Once you found the XRP market, you'll need to place a buy order. This will involve specifying the amount of XRP you want to buy. And then afterwards, you're just going to have to wait for the order to be filled. It will be added to the order book and will be filled when there is a seller willing to sell XRP at your specified price. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.